The importance of sleep for a healthy life. Sleep is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most important pillars of good health. Just like eating well and exercising, getting enough quality sleep is essential for the body and mind to function properly. One of the most critical roles of sleep is restoring the body. During sleep, tissues repair, muscles grow, and the immune system strengthens. Without enough sleep, the body becomes more vulnerable to illnesses and takes longer to heal. Sleep also has a powerful effect on brain function. It helps with memory, concentration, and learning. When we sleep, the brain processes information, clears toxins, and resets for the next day. Poor sleep can lead to difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, and mood swings. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to serious health issues such as heart disease, obesity, diabetes, and depression. Lack of sleep affects hormone levels, increases stress, and disrupts metabolism, which can lead to weight gain and other problems over time. Mental health is also deeply connected to sleep. People who suffer from insomnia or poor sleep quality are more likely to experience anxiety, irritability, and depression. A healthy sleep routine improves emotional resilience and overall well-being. To improve sleep, experts recommend going to bed at the same time each night, avoiding screens before sleep, keeping the bedroom dark and cool, and limiting caffeine in the evening. In conclusion, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Prioritizing good sleep habits is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to protect your physical and mental health, boost energy, and improve your quality of life.